Yeah, I can see we are in Kakuma refugee camp. This is our Palmakacha members. You can see they harvest some food from our garden, and you can see we have a lot of white amaranth.
Yeah. Morning.
We have. We are so happy because we get some food from our garden. So I would love to show you as a project that we have. We have a lot of projects here, and these projects help us to feed more people living here in Kakuma refugee camp without food. But we are able to feed more families through our gardens. You can see a lot of food are growing here in our Palmakacha garden. And after that, I would like to show you our new project. If you can see in this video, we have a lot of bottles. These bottles we'll be cutting, and after cutting the bottles, we'll design it as our Palmakacha design. And after that, we'll plant something inside. We'll plant something inside these bottles, and I hope through this new project we shall have a lot of food from our project here in Kakuma refugee camp. So we are here requesting for your donation. If you are touching to help us with some seeds, because we have an empty place there. If you can see, we have an empty place there, but we don't have. We have lack of seeds and some basic tools. So we are requesting your donation. We are requesting something that you are able to assist us. That will be so thankful and will be so helpful for us. Thanks so much, and welcome to assist us here in Kakuma refugee camp. We are located in Kakuma 2, Zone 1, Block 8, and this is Vami, and I'm Jal Faraja as a chairman of this CBO. Thanks so much, and you are welcome.